Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if the Instagram is not working on your iPhone. So if you're trying to use Instagram but it's not working or not loading the feed or keeps crashing in iOS 17 in your iPhone, then let me show you how you can fix it. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step always would be to force close and reopen the app. Sometime closing and reopening the app can solve this problem without any troubleshooting steps. You can open the app switcher, close the app, and open the app again to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is simply restart your iPhone. Sometime of course restart can fix this problem. To restart your iPhone, you can hold the volume up and power button at the same time, and you will see this slide to power off. Simply power off your iPhone, then just wait like 15 seconds and then turn on your iPhone again and open the Instagram app to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step would be check for an update for your Instagram. Sometime the update can cause the problem. So if you see an update, make sure that you install that update of the Instagram in your iPhone. Go to the App Store and search for Instagram. And if you see update next to this open button next to the app, if you see an update option, click on update and update your Instagram app. So if the update is not available and the Instagram is still not working, then the next step would be try to update your iPhone to the latest iOS. Sometime update can cause an issue in your iPhone. So to check an update, go to settings, click on general, click on software update, and if you see any update available here, download and install that in your iPhone. It can fix your problem. So if it's still not working, then the last step would be reinstalling the app. To reinstall your app, go to settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage, click on Instagram, click on offload app. You won't lose any of your login details. Click on reinstall and the app will start reinstalling. And after this, your issue will be solved. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.